In this video, I'm going to show how we can add a route to the top stretcher that will accept the strike plate of this lock. So I already have open our properties here. We're going to go into the carcass base and show our properties. And we're going to find that front stretcher here through the machine tokens. And we are going to add a polyline on face 5. So our vector locations here is what is going to be the information used for the start point and every routing point after that. So you could see we got 3 values, 1, 1, 0 separated by the semicolon. And then if you'll take an even closer look between that, we have a pipe symbol. It's just that straight line. And then we have another set of 3 values, which is our next location. So these 3 values represent X, Y, Z. And you can keep going on for as long as you want to create a more complicated route if you wish. But for our case, we're going to write a formula that's going to accept a route that's going to place right in the middle every time. So in order to get a formula to look just like this, we are going to first use our equals X will be panel length divided by 2 subtract 1. And we're going to use the ampersand symbol, the quotes, the semicolon, quote, ampersand. And then we want our route to go 1 inch back, let's just say. And then the same ampersand, quote, semicolon, quote, ampersand. Our Z, let's put it at 0.5. Ampersand, quote. This time we want the pipe, quote, ampersand. So now we're ready for our next set of 3 values. So panel length divided by 2 plus 1. And in all actuality, I can copy the rest right here. So let's review that real quick. I'm going to apply formula. 7 1/4, semicolon 1, semicolon 0.5, pipe, 9 1/4, semicolon 1, semicolon 0.5. So let's go ahead and update our product. So as you see up here in our image, I have a route that showed up right where we needed to. We can go one step further and we're going to go back to our P line here, and we're going to set a formula here. If local lock top drawer equals 1, then P line 5, if not 0. Let's save this. Alright, so let's just go in here to our prompt, which is always a good test. We're just going to change the size here. We're going to, let's change it to 30 or whatever. And we should see our route move to the center of that stretcher. In which case is exactly what we see here. Let's go back into our prompts. Let's turn off that lock top drawer, which will not only take the lock off, but it should take off the route as well. And there we have it. When that route is put on, you can also control the X. I did a panel length divided by 2 subtract 1. You can use variables from the prompt, such as where the lock is getting its information for the X value. Distance from lock from edge, I think it's called, or I don't know, just go look into the X value of where that lock is being placed, and you can use very similar information so that no matter what, that route will go where that lock is.